years of working abroad or spending countless days in the busy city, imagine finally coming home to a place that feels peaceful. Yung tipong pagising mo sa umaga, tahimik ang paligid, presko ang hangin, and right in front of you, a breathtaking view of Taal Lake welcoming you every single day. Maybe this is not just another property. Maybe this is the life you've been working so hard. Hindi na traffic, away from the city, just peace, exclusivity, and quality time with your family. But what if I tell you meron tayong property inside one of the most exclusive communities in Tagaytay Highlands for only 9 million and may kasama na siyang golf share. And today I'm bringing you here in one of the hidden gems inside Tagaytay Highlands. And let me welcome you here at Sycamore Heights. Navarro from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa beautiful and exclusive Sycamore Heights located inside the Midlands at Tagaytay Highlands. If you're someone na madalas umaakyat sa Tagaytay, may chances na nakikita nyo na ito, yung beautiful condominiums development na overlooking. Yes, and this is part of the huge luxury development here in Tagaytay Highlands. And honestly, sobrang laki ng development dito, napaka-premium ng community, and one of the biggest advantages, of course, meron tayong golf course inside the community of Highlands. So if you love exclusivity, leisure, peaceful living, and luxury lifestyle, this vlog is definitely for you. Today we are featuring a very special property inside Sycamore Heights, a 300 square meter prime lot, and guess what? We're offering this for only 9 million. And yes, included na rito ang golf share. And one of the advantages din for this property, napakalapit nyo lang sa park and sa amenities natin like swimming pool. For our kababayans abroad, especially those who are already planning retirement, ito yung klase ng property na masasabi talaga natin na finally, this is the life what I've worked for. Imagine after years of working overseas, you finally come home to the Philippines. Pero hindi siya crowded city, instead dito siya sa isang peaceful and secured community. Malamig ang weather, almost all year round. Fresh air, and every morning, you get the enjoy relaxing mountain atmosphere of Tagaytay. Right now, nandito tayo sa mismong lot na available, and this is a 300 square meter lot area. And as we mentioned, you can avail this for only 9 million. And nakagandahan pa dito, once na nag-build kayo ng property, talagang ang view nyo is makikita nyo na yung Taal. And once na nag-visit din tayo dito sa property, actually marami na ring houses naka-build and marami ring ongoing house construction. Perfect siya for retirement home or even a weekend getaway with your kids and future grandkids. Now, if you're an investor, here's why this property makes sense. Number one is the location. We are inside Tagaytay Highlands, one of the most prestigious leisure development in the Philippines. Number two, exclusivity. So, hindi lang basta-basta makakapasok dito. Hindi siya pwede na gusto mo lang makita yung community. Kailangan dito is well-endorsed and napakahigpit ng security. This community caters to a high-end homeowners, retirees, business owners, and golf enthusiasts. And whenever you invest in exclusive development, value appreciation becomes stronger because supply is limited. And remember, this is not just buying land. You're investing in lifestyle, exclusivity, and long-term value. What I personally love about this property is the location. This lot offers a beautiful surroundings and relaxing atmosphere. And depending on your future home design, you can maximize the breathtaking views of Taal. Plus, walking distance lang tayo from the amenities and parks dito sa area. You know, sometimes the best investment is not just about numbers. It's about finally creating the life you dream of. A place where your family can gather, a place where weekends feel special, a place where you can slow down and simply enjoy life. And honestly, that's what Sycamore Heights feels like. And again, for a 300 square meter lot inside Tagaytay Highlands, priced at 9 million with golf share already included, this is definitely something worth considering, especially if you're looking for a premium retirement property or long-term investment. So if you're interested in this property that we featured today, or if you want to personally schedule a site viewing here at Sycamore Heights inside Tagaytay Highlands, please don't hesitate to message us directly. We're very happy to assist you in finding a perfect property for your retirement, dream home, or next investment. Again, this is Christina Barro from Prestige Properties, and thank you for watching and hope to see you soon on my next one.